Hello friends, welcome to quickexam.com, and today we will learn difference between national park, wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserve, protected forest, reserved forest, tiger reserve and ecological sensitive area. So let's see. First, national park. National park is an area where no human activity is allowed, means no settlement, no hunting, no grazing, etc. And most of national park provides outdoor recreation, camping opportunity, and are designed to educate the public on the importance of conservation activities. It is covered under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Next, wildlife sanctuary. It is an area where people are not allowed to live, but tourism is permitted and some activities like grazing, firewood collection is permitted. A sanctuary can be upgraded to national park and a national park can be degraded to wildlife sanctuary. It is covered under Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Biosphere Reserve. It consists of three areas: core area, buffer area and transition area. In core area, only and only research is allowed. It is a multi-purpose protected area. All plants and animals are preserved in it. It gives facility for education and awareness. People are allowed to live on private land and carry on their traditional activities. It may have one or more national park or wildlife sanctuaries. It is not defined in any parliamentary law. Friends, focus on this. It is not defined in any parliamentary law, but it is derived from UNESCO's Man and Biosphere Program 1972. Next, move to protected and reserved forest. In a protected forest, it has a limited degree of protection, means outside activities allowed unless mentioned, and it is covered under Indian Forest Act 1927. In a reserved forest, it has a full degree of protection, means outside activities not allowed unless mentioned, and it is covered under Indian Forest Act 1927. Next, move to tiger reserve. They are legally protected area for tigers. It is covered under Wildlife Protection Amendment Act 2006. These are also notified by state governments but on the recommendation of a central authority which is called the National Tiger Conservation Authority. Ecological sensitive area. Ecological sensitive areas are areas under human use, sometimes quite intensive human use such as generation of thermal power. ESA are to be viewed as the area where human activities will continue but prudently regulated under the Environment Protection Act 1986. Friends, ecological sensitive area is nothing. It is an area where humans are settled, but it is only ensured that development in this area is environment friendly. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is useful to you. Subscribe our channel for more videos.